Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Jalissa. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I blow out my hair and kind of like my blowout routine at the moment now for the winter. And this blowout is going to be kind of like a at-home salon blowout. So it's definitely very easy to do and you get a pretty nice bouncy look. Guys, definitely grab one of these towels from my store. Oh my god, I love them so much. Literally, I use these towels every single time I wash my hair. It really does dry my hair super quickly. This is a microfiber towel and I'm gonna link it down below if you guys want to check it out. I feel like this dries my hair so quickly and it's very gentle on my natural curls. It doesn't really like rip my hair or anything. So yeah, I love using this whenever I get out of the shower, and I even do my makeup and everything with this on. But yeah, it's amazing. Definitely check it out. I'm gonna link it down below. In today's video, actually, I have a nice giveaway for you guys. So I'm going to be giving away the T3 Lucea ID in this beautiful new color. So this is the limited edition shade. Let me just show you guys. It's beautiful. Since it's Christmas Eve, I am going to give away a nice hair tool because I love you guys and you guys have been really supporting my channel so much, so I appreciate you guys so much. How beautiful is this? This shade is just so gorgeous. I'm actually going to use my T3 Lucea ID later to kind of finish off the look. So yeah, let's get right into the video. If you want to know how to enter the giveaway, stick around and I'm gonna give you guys all the details later. Definitely enter the giveaway. This video is not sponsored by T3 Micro. They're just always sending me the coolest hair tools, and since I already had the T3 Lucea ID, I figured I would give that one to you guys. And tomorrow on Christmas Day, I am going to be giving away another T3 Micro hair tool, so you have to watch tomorrow's video as well. And I hope you guys are liking Vlogmas. I know it's almost over, but anyways, let's get right into the video. Okay, so I'm going to start by prepping my hair. I actually used the Amika, the Kure mask in the shower. I wish I had it with me now, but it's actually in the shower. I forgot to take it out of the shower, but I used this mask and I love it. So now I'm just gonna add a little bit of product to my hair. My hair is finally growing and I'm super excited about that. I'm gonna start applying this product to my hair. This is the IGK Good Behavior Spirulina Protein Smoothing Blowout Balm. I love this product so much. It's great to use right before a blowout. It really does leave your hair looking so smooth and sleek, and it also protects your hair from the heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It adds shine, controls frizz. So yeah, I'm just adding a little bit of this to my hair. I love the packaging of this product. Like, it has a little opening right there and it actually kind of controls you from applying too much product and from kind of wasting product, because you really only need a little tiny bit of this product. A little bit goes such a long way with that product. So yeah, I'm just adding that much to my hair. Love how that feels and it smells amazing. So I'm going to use my Julie brush to detangle my hair and spread the product a little bit. You can also find this on my store online, so I'm going to link it down below. If you guys didn't know, I do have a small store where you can find a lot of like hair accessories and stuff. So yeah, I'm thinking about adding new brushes to my store, so stay tuned. But yeah, definitely check it out. I'm going to link my store down below. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the IGK Good Behavior 4-in-1 Prep Spray. This one is so good as well. I love applying this to all my hair. This one actually gives you so much shine and it helps detangle your hair. It also protects your hair from the heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and it controls frizz. I love that product. I've been using it for a while now, like a couple months, maybe like 3 months. I use it every single time I blow out my hair. It's like a must, especially the prep spray. Like, I use this one more than the balm. If I'm kind of like trying to get a quick blowout, I just spray a little bit of this, blow out my hair, and maybe add like a little bit of an oil at the end. But yeah, that's definitely a product that I never miss. I always include that in my routine. But yeah, look how this just kind of detangles your hair so well. So now I'm gonna get into blowing out my hair, but first I want to part my hair into 2 sections. I'm gonna divide it right in the middle. I'm gonna take a small section, maybe about that much, and I'm going to start blowing out my hair. I'm going to be using the T3 Micro AireBrush Duo. I love this blow dryer. It has to be probably like my go-to blow dryer at the moment because it's so gentle on my hair. It's so gentle on my natural curls. And I've been using this since July. So it's been about 6 months and I feel like this does not damage my hair. And it's just very gentle on my natural curls. So that's like the main reason why I use this one and not other ones that I have. Anyways, let me start blowing up my hair. I use this in the highest heat setting and the highest speed. And I use the round brush attachments. Okay guys, I am finally back. Oh my god, it took me so long to blow out my hair and I still need to use a straightener because my roots are just not getting straight. The T3 AireBrush Duo doesn't get too hot, so it doesn't really straighten my roots too much, but I feel like it's so gentle, so I just go in with a straightener like at the roots just to kind of make my hair look a little bit smoother. So I'm going to show you guys how I do that now. This is what my hair looks like with just a blowout. I definitely feel like I need to touch up the roots because they look very wavy. I'm actually going to use a little bit of this Olaplex number 7 bonding oil. I'm going to add a little tiny bit of this to my hair. Yeah, as you can see, it's still pretty wavy at the roots. It took me a while to blow out my hair. It took me like 45 minutes to do my hair. And I feel like my roots are still not like done. I just didn't want to keep blowing it out because I knew that I was going to go in with a straightener anyways. So I didn't want to waste too much time. But anyways, I'm going to divide my hair. I'm going to take a small section from the back. And then that section I'm going to divide in 2. And I'm just going to straighten the roots a little bit. So I'm going to use my T3 Micro Lucea ID just to kind of straighten the roots a little bit. And then I'm going to flip the ends. So like that. So that way I get a little bit of a wave at the end. So I'm just straightening the roots. So I'm going to do the same with this section. It's like a quick curl, but it's just going to give you a little bit of a bounce. I mean, it's definitely like curly, but it's gonna look good. You guys will see. So now I'm gonna kind of clip this up. So this is what we call in the Dominican Republic anchoitas. So you just kind of bring your hair up like this and then pin it with a clip just to kind of set your curl. Just like that. So there you have it. Now I'm going to do this side. So I'm going to straighten the roots a little bit. And then I'm going to flip the ends. Just like that. Something very simple. I'm not going to like curl all my hair. I'm just focusing on straightening the roots and then just flipping the ends just to give the ends a little bit of a curl. And then I'm going to do the anchoita. So I bring it up and clip my hair. You see that it looks a little bit wavy. I'm just focusing on straightening the roots a little bit and then just quickly curling the ends. And the curls don't have to be perfect. The main thing that I'm trying to do is just get the roots more sleek. You can even take pretty big sections and just straighten the roots, bring the hair tool down, flip the ends. I'm actually going to be giving away one of these hair tools. This is actually the same one that I'm going to be giving away in the like dark blue blackish color. So definitely enter the giveaway. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is number 1, subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. And number 2, follow me on Instagram and TikTok. And then comment down below your Instagram. And then I'm going to reach out to the winner on Instagram. So definitely enter the giveaway. I'm gonna finish all my hair and I'll be back with the final look. I'm gonna let these set for a little bit and then I'm gonna show you guys what my hair looks like. Alright guys, so I'm gonna take these off so you guys can see what my hair looks like. I was just gonna show you guys the final look, but then I'm like, it's kind of satisfying to see the curls just fall like that, like when I unclip my hair. I don't know why. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys like that part or if it's just me, because I actually really like this part. It's so satisfying. Look at my hair, it looks so like bouncy. Definitely enter the giveaway, guys, because the Lucea ID retails for like $250, so you're getting a very nice straightener. Like, I am so excited for whoever's gonna win this giveaway because this straightener is insane. But you guys deserve it. You guys have been so amazing. I wish I could give everyone a gift, but yeah, I'm gonna just keep doing more giveaways to, you know, give back to you guys. And yeah, my hair is turning out super nice. I'm very excited. If you guys are wondering why I don't have eyeshadow, it's because I'm actually gonna film a video after this one trying elf makeup. So I'm gonna do like my eyes and lips, so definitely check out that video. I'm gonna link it down below. So yeah, I'm almost done taking these down. You can let these set for as long as you want, but as you can see already, I have so much more volume and it just looks way better in my opinion than, you know, just a blowout. Look at that, it looks way more smooth. My roots are a lot more smooth. If you wanted to do an extra step just to make your curls look even more loose, you can use a comb. I got this one from Sephora. This is from Pattern, and just look how much more natural it looks now. Like, it just looks so nice. I just kind of comb my hair with this and I just immediately have a lot more volume as well, which is crazy. Just by kind of separating the curls, you get a lot more volume. It just looks super natural. So definitely look into this comb. I love it so much. I'm gonna link it down below. It's from Sephora, from Pattern. I'm actually very happy with the results. Definitely enter the giveaway so you can win the Lucea ID. And that is it for this video. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow for the last Vlogmas video. I can't believe it. I can't believe we're like done with Vlogmas, but I might have another giveaway in tomorrow's video, so you need to stay tuned, subscribe, and follow my TikTok, my Instagram, and also comment down below your Instagram so that I can reach out to the winner. And yeah guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye bye.